violence. Do you have now a copy? No. Matagal nang sinasabi nila.
It was released already, sir.
It was released already.
One page.
You have a copy?
2 pages.
You have a copy? Because we are discussing something where we have not seen a copy of the declaration, so that we can see the parameters of the declaration. But definitely, such declaration will not grant him any additional power which he cannot exercise without such declaration.
Good morning. Doon sa declaration of national emergency on the account of lawlessness, I also mentioned yesterday in the interpellation in the plenary that such declaration is not necessary, in line with also with the statement of Manong Edsel, because right now the armed forces is helping and cooperating with the Philippine National Police, even without that declaration. It has been going on for so long a time. I think the declaration or the provision in the Constitution calling for the armed forces, because the armed forces should be externally oriented. The mandate of the armed forces is defense of our territory and preservation of our sovereignty. So the armed forces should not be in charge of the internal security issues in the country. That is why we have the Department of Interior and Local Government. They're the ones in charge of the internal issues in the country. However, as per Republic Act 6975 and amended by Republic Act 8551, ito po yung PNP law, it was previously given or transferred from armed forces to PNP the issue of internal security operations. And after some time, it was given back, reverted back to the armed forces, that the armed forces will now be the ones in charge of the internal security operations. So, ibig sabihin, dati nang ginagawa ng ating armed forces na nag-checkpoints, sumasama sa ating PNP sa mga areas na delikado, ginagawa na ho natin. Ang nakita ko lang sa declaration, yes, I agree that the President is firm and resolute in addressing the issues. However, he's also saying to the people that the armed forces now is coming in the picture. The armed forces will be now helping the armed forces not only against terrorism, but also against drugs. So, sinasabihan tayo na nandiyan ang armed forces. So, I caution the President regarding this because the armed forces is not trained in law enforcement. Wala pong training ang armed forces. Ang training ng armed forces is search and destroy. So kung sila gagamitin mo doon, specifically sa Oplan Tokhang, anong mangyari sa ating mga operations niyan? I expect increase of violence. Especially now that we have the alleged violation of human rights in the Operation Tokhang. Sinasabi na walang suspension of writ of habeas corpus and there will be no arrest without warrants of arrest and search warrants. However, the PNP right now is doing that. May listahan ka lang ng mga suspected drug users and pushers, they can now arrest you. Ganon po nangyayari, wala namang warrant of arrest. Yun nga po ang sinasabi ni Chief Justice Sereno, na dapat may warrant of arrest yan. That means that is a result of a criminal justice system natin. May due process, and as a result, arrest warrant or search warrant will be issued in order to implement that to the suspect. However, wala po yan. And naririnig ko natin karamihan, nanlaban ho sila. Kaya nga sila napatay. Very worrisome ho yan.